What is up, everybody? It is our first full day here in Hanoi and our first time visiting the beautiful country of Vietnam. Right now we're on our way to go check out a Taoist temple, the Ho Chi Minh Museum, and the Pillar Pagoda. These are some of the main attractions here in Hanoi, located on the north end of the city by the Ho Lake.
Alright, so we're walking up to the mausoleum right now, which is where Ho Chi Minh is actually buried. However, it's only open for viewing for about like 3 hours in the morning, I think. I'm not too sure if you have to pay for it, but as it's about 4 o'clock p.m. now, we obviously can't go in, so we're just going to observe from the outside. Alright, so now we're standing in front of the Pillar Pagoda, which is located next to the Ho Chi Minh Museum. As you can see, it is definitely known for its unique architecture. It was built in 1049 and resembles a lotus flower blooming from one stem up out of the pond.
So right now we're at the Quan Thanh Temple, which is a Taoist temple, and from my limited knowledge and what I kind of know off the top of my head, I believe Taoism is living in harmony with nature. And I know there's a lot more to it, but that's just kind of the basic understanding of what I have of Taoism. Also, the entrance fee to this temple was 10,000 Vietnamese dong each, so for us it was less than $1. So right now we're walking along Lake Ho Tay. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it at all, but it's a really nice lake. It gives you a nice view of the city around here, and if you have some free time or are looking for a place to go jogging or exercising, this would be the place to do it.
Thanks for wandering around the northern part of Hanoi with us today. This was just an example of what you can do in one short afternoon here.
So tomorrow we're going to be checking out the old quarter of Hanoi and checking out some of the markets and temples around the area. So keep an eye out for that video coming up. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Peace.